Hi everybody, this is Scott from Tours of Cleveland. Today is day 2 of our trivia contest. We do have the answers for yesterday's questions. So our first question from yesterday dealt with the arcade. The arcade is modeled after the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele in Milan, Italy. So Milan, Italy is the answer to question number 1 from yesterday. And question number 2 dealt with the Soldiers and Sailors Monument and the woman who is on top of the monument. Yes, she is the goddess of freedom, but she is also a local Clevelander, and that woman is Elizabeth Schofield. So she was Levi Schofield's wife. Levi Schofield, of course, designed the monument, and she modeled for him for that statue. Elizabeth also ran the YWCA here in Cleveland at that time. So, Milan, Italy, Elizabeth Schofield, yesterday's answers. Today's questions. Question number 1. These two are actually pretty easy. So Moses Cleveland, of course, is considered to be the founder of our city. But prior to his coming to this area, he served as a general for the United States in what war? So that's question number 1. Question number 2. This one is a true or false question. So there are 2 construction workers that are buried in the base of Terminal Tower. True or false? So those are the questions. Good luck with those. Remember, leave your answers in the comments. We will be doing a drawing after all of our questions are done to select 2 winners. So every right answer or set of right answers gets you entered in the drawing. Thank you guys and stay safe. Bye-bye.